here's a beautiful Ford Classic, 1934 Cabriolet. Just a beautiful car. It's been with the same owner for many, many years. It was his pride and joy. Just decided this past spring that it was time to let it move on, enjoy a new home, and let the new owner have some enjoyment out of driving this car, taking it out, have it shown, local cruise-ins. Car runs very, very nice also. We'll fire up here in a little bit. You guys can hear how smooth it runs. But take a look at this grille. It's Dearborn blue, so it's the dark, dark blue, almost looks black. Take a look at that grille. One of the more popular model years that Ford made. A lot of these were street rotted, hot rodded. Here you still have a genuine Ford metal 34 Ford. That includes the running boards and the body, the hood, whole shebang. Get around out of the glare here. Obviously rumble seat carb besides. I'll get around to the other side of the car and you don't get quite that glare. As sunny as it is out today. Top is in nice shape, engine bay. Everything's it's just a very nice driver quality car in this. Check out the still pictures. Then you can see the engine bay, the interior, the top. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And feel free to give us a call too. If you have any questions on this car, give us a call. 507-386-1726. Here, and I'll come around so you take a look at this rumble seat material, all very nice shape. Be a blast for taking in parades or grandkids out for a ride in. See the rumble seat material matches the interior of the car. Still the stock dash gauges. Get an idea. Paint has a nice luster to it. Yeah, you may find a few blemishes here and there, but overall very nice quality on the paint. And again, when I get up close, you can see it is that Dearborn blue, and it does have kind of that navy blue cast to it, but almost looks black from a little ways away. Check out the door cards. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You got to hear this thing run, how smooth it is. Alright, so I'll flip this to on. Starter's down on the floor. Make sure we're neutral. Didn't need to choke it or use the throttle at all. If you can hear that, it's a very nice, smooth running flathead underneath the hood. This car does have a 1934 clean title. Number on the title matches the number on the bell housing. Listen to that purr. Coming around to the back. It's a smooth running stock flathead in this beautiful 34 Ford. Again, check out the still pictures. You can see that engine bay, interior, undersides of it, of course. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com and or give us a call, 507-386-1726. Thought I'd pause it for a second there and open the hood for you. So you can check out underneath there. See how smooth that flathead's running. You can hear it, see the engine bay. There you go, 1934 Ford, genuine Henry Ford steel, Cabriolet drop top. Website's uniqueclassiccars.com or give us a call, 507-386-1726.